Top 10 best websites to download music for free or legally 2018. Below are the sites that you need to browse to get the music for you. And I have selected this app on the basis of user ratings and reviews along with the personal experience of my team, so have a look at these apps below. Google Play Music is the best music streaming app that you would love to have on your Android. The app is free and it provides users ad-supported radio for what they are doing, how they're feeling, or what they want to hear. You need to select radio stations based on songs, albums, artists to listen to the audio. Another great thing about Google Play Music is that it shows smart recommendation of music based on your taste. This is the another best app that I personally recommend. Millions of people use SoundCloud to listen to music and audio for free. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, the SoundCloud app lets you hear more. It has a very vast collection of free tracks. Not all of them are available to download, but many of them come up with a download option. Features of SoundCloud: discover new and trending music you won't find anywhere else. Listen to your favorite tracks and artists from a variety of genres, countries, and artists. Connect with friends and your favorite artists to hear what they share. Personalize your listening experience by liking favorite tracks to listen later. Create playlists for parties, workouts, on the way to work, or whatever mood you're in. Play, pause, and skip tracks from the lock screen. This is one of the top-rated apps that users love to use on a daily basis. In a very short time, this app captured lots of market of music. Now you can find lots of free music from this app by just getting it to download and then searching for your favorite songs in it. So must try this out. Ghana Music app offers plus access to over 30 million Bollywood and English MP3 songs, plus thousands of playlists created by experts and users, plus save your favorite songs, playlists, albums, and artists, plus listen to non-stop radio and also 10 radio merchy stations. Plus also you can easily get your favorite music download to this app to use them in future. Sound Music and Radio. This is the app that I personally use in my office, as here I can easily find all of my favorite music in just one place. Here you can easily find the mashup and all other custom music that you must be searching over the internet. So must give this app a try and I'm confident that you will surely love this. Number 5. Deezer. With its user-friendly UI, you can easily navigate multiple songs. And the main features of this app are: search and easily share any song, artist, or album. Discover music and millions of playlists. Listen to mixes inspired by your favorite tracks, artists, or albums. Create unlimited music playlists. Download music and an MP3 to listen to offline. Sonodal. One of my friends suggested me this website. Sonodal is a place for artists, musicians, and producers to share their music for free. This is a place for musical artists and producers for sharing their stuff and promote them for free online. So must try this out. Internet Archive. There are many smart users who are familiar with this, as this the way by which you can download some old music stuff from the archive servers that still have the data in it. You can use this website to load the old websites that are down now and get the files to download free and legally. This is an amazing website that is a block in some countries, but you can still access it using the VPN and get your favorite music downloaded easily. Last but not the least, everyone is aware of this and many of you are using it on a daily basis. So you can easily download your favorite music from here and can save them even in the playlists.